In this video, I'm going to show you how to schedule a job very quickly, starting with an order. So if I click on this order section here, I get to my orders list. I can tap on the plus button to add a new order. And so I can actually create the order, but I must select an account. So clicking on this screen gives me the ability to enter in some information to use to do a search against the database. If it can't find it, of course you can create the new account, but we'll go ahead and look here for a more complete record, and that's the one we're going to add to the order. So now we've got an account and an order. I'll go ahead and click Save. And using the hot sheet, if I click on this little up arrow at the bottom of your screen, you'll see that we've got all these functions that we can perform on the order. One of them is job, as indicated by that little truck vehicle guy. And you can see that he's on your button bar as well. So if I just tap that guy, he's going to take me to a job record. And now I can kind of figure out what I want to do from here. Set my date, hit set, and then go ahead and schedule that guy. Let's jump in here to the account screen. And then we can very easily see this account's been abused, but the work order there is, there it is. So there's the work and the job, and we are all scheduled.